Okay, welcome to Performance Unlimited. This package we're looking at right now happens to be our 408 Windsor Stroker, advertised at 450 horsepower. Again, dyno proven horsepower. You can read through the package and see what it comes with. But again, this one happens to be painted black with some nice Ford Racing valve covers and a nice Smart Serpentine kit. Again, check out the package, and we build a package specialty just for you. Again, here at Performance Unlimited, all engines are custom built. So we're going to show you our dyno package on this motor. And again, this is a 408 Windsor Stroker. Didn't come down. Well, there you have it. Once again, Performance Unlimited show you dyno proven horsepower. Again, this happens to be our 408 Windsor Stroker, advertised at 450 horsepower. This is a great motor. It makes power, torque right off of idle. At 2200 RPM, we got over 400 foot-pounds of torque. That's amazing. We got over 500 foot-pounds of torque at 50-some hundred RPM. Again, I think we made about 470, 480 horsepower. Again, Performance Unlimited. There is no other. Thank you.